Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about crafting your Instagram bio. Your Instagram bio is a brief description of your brand and should explain at a glance what your business is all about, what your services are, so that you will attract the right followers and audiences that are related to your business category. You have 150 characters to craft your bio, so make use of it as much as possible. Be creative. Creating a paragraph-based bio is dull, and it's an easy way to get rid of your potential followers visiting and stay on your profile to view your posts and know what your services are. Add personality to your bio. It could be a simple motivation like in this example, or write a simple quote that will make people smile. Use emojis. They are free to use. The right emoji can set the mood of your profile as fun, easy to reach out to, and engage with. But remember not to overdo it. Keep it to a minimum. You can even use it as bullets on your bio, matching the phrases that comes after it. Use keywords. Determine the keywords that people would search for related to your business. You can include a few keywords on your bio. This makes your profile appear on searches similar to that keyword. In this example, you can see that she includes keywords of what she does, so if entrepreneurs look for help to grow their influence, they can ask for help from this person. Use more spacings and line breaks. People have a short attention span nowadays. It's getting harder for people to read multiple sentences on bios. Create your bio with chunks of relevant information or in bullet types that would help viewers easily understand what you want to tell them. Create direct-to-the-point phrases. That could be your products or services that you offer in your business category. Add a short quote. Add a short quote that reflects who you are as an individual or as a brand. In this example, she's an Instagram social media manager describing how she helps women find clients on Instagram, and this is her quote for her brand. Also, this could be your tagline for your business. As you can see in this example of the brand MAC Cosmetics, this is their tagline. This is another example of an Instagram bio with her brand's tagline. Add your brand hashtag. Include hashtags that are unique for your brand. Doing this will make it easier to tag your profile as your followers post content and captions your brand hashtag. In this example, when Instagram users post content and include this brand hashtag, it will be searchable for everyone. This helps your business create brand awareness and reach more people on Instagram. As the brand hashtag owner, you can easily find posts that you can feature on your post as you search for this hashtag on the search bar. In this example, you can see there are brand hashtags for her books, and as we click on each book hashtag, you'll see posts where the hashtag was tagged. Also, you may notice that she included in her bio that she is a host of a food network, which is a link to another Instagram profile. When you click the handle, you'll see this Food Network's profile. You must ensure that your bio represents you or your brand. A few seconds is all it takes for Instagram users to stay in your profile as your bio makes an impression. Now that you've learned some tips about crafting your Instagram bio, we can now proceed to the next topic, which is having multiple Instagram accounts. I'll see you there.